Yo, what up guys, Old School Daner, and you know that I'm not a big advocate of supplements, but there are a few that I use. And someone asked me a question, what supplements do I use? So I thought it would be super supportive if I made a video series on this. So today will be the first video series on the supplement that I use. First one that I use in my stack is it's by Swole as Fuck Labs. I got it at the Muscle Factory in Orange County. It's in Garden Grove. It's a new shop that just opened up at my house. It's great because I'm not too far from it and I can get some great supplements at some great prices. So this one is a whey protein isolate. I use a whey protein isolate just because I'm lactose intolerant. And yes, I could take those digestive enzyme pills with, for lactase and stuff like that. But come on, like, do I really want to live my life like that, taking all those, digestive enzymes for the rest of my life? No. I'd rather just stick to a whey protein isolate, because if I were to take whey protein, then I get diarrhea. I get the shits. If I have too much dairy, like actual milk, diarrhea. Too much cheese, diarrhea. All that stuff. Sorry about that. How to reveal that to you guys, so just be honest. But yeah, this one's a grass-fed nature whey isolate. It's clean, pure, and delicious. By Swole as Fuck Labs. 100% natural. It's something I've been using this for the last few months. You guys seen those videos of me posing, with the red hat? That was taken with, I was using this protein at that time. What I like about this one is that, first of all, it's been helping me a lot with muscle building and recovery, like all whey protein isolates do. But what I like about this one is that I got it at a good price. And it's grass-fed, under nature whey isolate. It's clean and it's 100% natural. I'm just reading out the label, whatever it says. But yeah, because I was using Bodytech before by the Vitamin Shop, and their Bodytech is supposed to be a knockoff of Optimum Nutrition. But it's weird because my friend told me they changed their formula, and it's got this weird medicine aftertaste when I drink it. Because I make a shake in the morning, right, every morning. It's got this weird aftertaste. Even though it does help, it just has a weird aftertaste. It tastes like chemicals a little bit. But this one tastes super clean and it mixes super smooth. Like, the taste is pretty good. Price you pay for is pretty good too. But I just like that it tastes clean. Like, it just doesn't taste like it's got additives and stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, hopefully this video is valuable to you guys. If you guys want to pick this up in person, they're located in Orange County, Garden Grove. I think it's by Catella Street. But yeah, oh, actually it's right by the Crunch Fitness in Garden Grove. That's like that huge Crunch Fitness in Garden Grove. So yeah, hopefully this video is supportive, you guys. If you guys want to actually check out this protein powder, if you want to get it for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. And just so you know, this is an affiliate link, so that I do get commission from this. I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you. But in the video that I say that it's not, I'm telling you right now it is, because that video was just made for cold traffic, so that people will be like, oh, he's not getting it from this. But in this video, since I know you guys are my supporters and I love you guys, and I don't want to mislead you guys, with any lies and stuff like that, because that's not who I am. That's not the brand I want to lead. But yeah, letting you know, I do get commission from this. This is an affiliate link. I do get money from you guys buying this type of stuff, and not promoting it just because I want money, but it's something I just been using, and I just thought if you guys were interested in it, yeah, check it out, get it for yourself. That being said, subscribe for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'm Old School Dan. I'm gone. Peace.